in Xi'an. Viewers, this time we have decided to explore the Xi'an city, and this is very ancient city and very important in the according to the historical point of view of the China. And this city was actually the capital city of the Tang dynasty, and Tang dynasty is supposed to be very much important in the history of China, because during the Tang dynasty it was the Silk Road was opened towards the Arabian merchants, Persian merchants, and all over the world. The trade was started here. There was the cultural exchange, there was the religious exchange. So the Tang dynasty is very important for China. So today we are going to explore the Xi'an city and will share with you. Viewers, behind me you can see one Catholic church, and this church is ancient church and the most old church of the Xi'an. And you can see that this building is according to the Western infrastructure. So there is one main point about the Catholic churches. They built up with the some Western infrastructure style. So you can see some people are going there to worship, and there that pie shop and some companions of him, they are going in. I think they are going to do some ceremony inside. So very beautiful church. Viewers, now we are in the main downtown of the Xi'an, and this is called the Chonglo. And behind me you can see this is the bell tower. Actually this bell tower was built up in the Ming dynasty, and Ming dynasty army built up this bell tower, and there were the two purposes of this tower. First one was to announcement about the time, and second one, in case of emergency they will give the big announcement in this bell tower. In the opposite to this tower there is another tower, and that is called the drum tower. Means one is a bell and one is drum tower. So these are the one couple in the Chonglo, and this is a tourism destination nowadays. If you come here you can buy the ticket and then you can climb this tower also. Viewers, behind me you can see this is the Chonglo Square, and in this square there are the different kind of the shopping malls, or also some tea shops, big tea brand, that is the Chagi there, Starbucks is there, one brand is here, and inside is the Chonglo street, and in that street there are some small stalls, some small shops, souvenir shops, eatables are available there. And as we cross this street, then there is one big Muslim street, the Hui Muslim street. So in our next episode we will explore that also, but today we have this destination of Chonglo. Viewers, as you just cross this Chonglo square, between the Chonglo Square and the Muslim street, there local sweet shops also here, traditional sweets here, handmade sweets. Some these kind of stalls you can see. About this you can see statues here. About the history of these statues and the details we will share, because we will go to this destination also where they belong. Xi'an city, bell tower. So beautiful. Here. These are the magnets you can stick on your refrigerator. So very beautiful. But you see the smoke boxes here. These are the herbal tea and the ice cream. This kind of bamboo cups we have shown you in the Hangzhou also. All fruits are cut here. You just use the fruits of your choice and add the sauce, yogurt, or the dry fruits. Then they will pay for you, and then you can enjoy your handmade fruit chaat. Viewers, this is the night view of Chonglo Square, and you can see that bell tower in the night time, how beautiful it is looking, like that, those yellow lights. And here really a lot of people come at this time, because there is the cool evening. People come here to eat, because behind is the one big food street, and here you see some people are with the families, some are the couples, some individually come here. So many foreigners are also visiting here. This is really one amazing sight to visit. Viewers, here we have seen this second floor street, and here are the restaurants. Very amazing street. Around are the restaurants, means in this long street, and here is the parks, and you can see There people are wearing the traditional Chinese dresses and doing the photo shooting. This is one beautiful garden here in the Chonglo main square. Really very amazing destination. If you visit the Xi'an, then must come here. We are really enjoying this festive days here, and in our next video we will share with you that Muslim street. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.